In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Amazon. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Amazon account. So grab your device and head over to the Amazon website. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's an easy way to reset it right there on the login page. Once you're logged in, your screen should show your welcome page. At the top, you'll see a menu. Click on the option that says All. This will give you a drop-down with several categories to choose from. Now, next up is finding your account settings. Click on Your Account. This step might feel a bit like navigating a maze, but don't worry, you're on the right path. After you click it, you'll land on a page that shows all your account settings and preferences. From there, you're looking for Your Orders. Go ahead and click on that. This section is crucial because it displays everything you've purchased. Take a moment to scan through your order history. Find the order that you want to cancel. Once you've spotted it, you'll want to click on View or Edit Order next to the relevant item. You're almost there. Once you click through to the order details, look for the option that says Cancel Items. This is where the magic happens, and you'll finally be able to start the cancellation process. Now, you'll see a list of the items you ordered. Take a moment to select the specific item you wish to cancel. You also have the option to provide a reason for canceling, but this is optional. You can choose something that applies or just skip it if you prefer. After you've selected the item and possibly added your reason, look for the button that says Request Cancellation. Click on that, and voila, you've successfully initiated the process to cancel your order. Ensure that you keep an eye on any notifications you might get from Amazon regarding the status of your cancellation. If for any reason you encounter any issues or have questions, Amazon has a robust help section that can guide you further. Their customer service is also quite responsive if you need to get in touch with them directly. So to recap, log into your Amazon account, click All from the menu, navigate to your account, find your orders, click on the appropriate order, then proceed to cancel items. Select your item, choose a cancellation reason if you'd like, and finally, click Request Cancellation. It's really that straightforward. I hope this video was clear and helpful in guiding you through the cancellation process. Remember, life can get busy, and sometimes you make choices you need to amend. So now that you know how to cancel an order on Amazon, don't stress if you need to change things up. If this helped you, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.